This video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called fast. This ransomware encrypts files and damages the files considerably. Before the ransomware attack, we are able to open all of our files without any troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. All that can be opened easily without any complications. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware called fast may be easily injected into the computer. So this is what happens. The ransomware encrypts files and then appends this special fast extension to the file names. It's not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. However, we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't pay it. What we recommend you to urgently do is remove this ransomware immediately, and we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page, the official website, combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware effectively and to protect the data. Use Combo Cleaner for protecting your files from all further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on this Start Scan button. The program would first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. It doesn't decrypt files, but as I said, it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to the premium license, and you may always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner.